Index. SR. No. Description. Page No. 1. Common priorities of HPUs. 1 to 2. 2. Priorities of HVPN. 3 to 5. 3. Priorities of HPGCL. 6. 4. Priorities of DISCOMs. 7 to 9. Common priority of HPUs. SR. No. Description. 1. Human resource development. I. Identification of training needs of all cadre, job position. E. Imparting of training in HPTI and at other institutions depending upon the type of training need and facilities available. E. Implementation of performance-linked incentive system based on objective, productive parameters to promote efficiency. IV. Revisiting of ACR system of annual review to make it more objective. V. Job rotation and succession planning. Implementation of a policy on job rotation and succession planning. V. Online transfer system. V. Revision of curriculum and methodology of departmental examination system to make it contemporary. V. Filling up the vacant posts. 2. Employee welfare measures. I. Repairs, renovation of residential buildings. E. Improvement of public health system in colonies. E. Construction of community center, open gym, children park and other recreational facilities at places where there are more than 100 residential units if the space is available. IV. Creation of new colonies in NCR area. V. Residential tower at HPTI for directors. V. Operational safety programs. 3. Induction of ERP solutions. 4. Induction of MIS. HVPNL priorities. SR. No. Description. A. Short-term priorities of HVPNL. 1. SOP for safety standard. 2. Strengthening of system communication network. I. Linking of left-out 220 kV substation with SLDC through SAS, RTU. E. Completion of 132 kV OPGW awarded to M. Sterlite. E. Planning of connectivity of 66 kV level. IV. Upgradation of SLDC system. V. Mirror image of SLDC at Shakti Bhavan. B. Automation of transmission operations. I. Remote operation from 400 kV substation of all down the line substations. E. Implementation of SUMMUST. E. Improvement in preventive maintenance techniques, adoption of predictive maintenance. IV. Live maintenance of transmission equipment, online the hydration of transformer. V. Induction of new technology in transmission equipment, new generation CNR panels and relays. 4. Setting up of transformer repair workshop. 5. Reorientation of 11 kV feeders and merging them to 33 kV substations. 6. Development of new narrow-based power designs by hiring good engineering consultants. 7. Phasing out old generation equipments. 8. Study of design, other issues in existing tower designs frequently getting damaged. 9. Development of new designs for control room building, switchyard, use of multi-story buildings for substations. C. Medium-term priorities of HVPNL. 1. Alternate connectivity of 220 kV substations. 2. Second 1x100 MVA, 220 33 of a kilovolt transformer on 220 kV substations where only one no 220 33 of a kilovolt transformer is installed. 3. Removal of major intrastate transmission constraints observed in real-time system operation. 4. Evacuation of 2,800 MW power from Gorakhpur Haryana Anu Vidyut Pariyojana, GHAVP, Fatehabad. 5. Evacuation of proposed 800 MW generation at DCRTPP, Yamunanagar. 6. Downstream network by state utilities from ISTS station, Kadarpur, Sohna Road and Pritla. 7. System planning, for 2047, 5 years forecast and planning. HPGCL priorities. SR. No. Description. 1. Annual maintenance plan for units. 2. Summer 2022 plant capacity utilization and performance rating. 3. Unit 6 and forecast for its operation. 4. Yamunanagar Unit 3 project planning. 5. Stressed asset purchase plan. 6. MOU with MCL for pithead plant. 7. White paper on fly ash utilization. 8. Manpower planning, restructuring. 9. Regulatory orders 2022-23, compliance and follow-up. 10. Land disposal policy and plan in Faridabad and Panipat. 11. Imported coal use, technical and financial impact. DISCOM's priorities. SR. No. Description. 1. Review of consumer category-wise growth trajectory. Number. Load 2015-16 onwards. 2. Load forecast and power procurement. 3. Ideal feeder length, feeder load, numbers which are above the norms. Feeder rationalization action plan. 4. System indexing plan, IT application for system mapping and value addition, road map. 5. Order of 2022-23. Power tariff implication, subsidy implication, concurrence of FD for additional subsidy. 6. Mahara Gao Jagmag Gao. Review performance in connected villages. Plan to take up remaining villages. 7. Metering. Defective meters replacement plan. Smart metering plan. Performance of smart meters installed. Remote billing. Default monitoring. Disconnection, reconnection. Prepaid. 8. Billing agencies performance review. 9. Digital payments in urban, suburban subdivisions. 10. Billing dispute settlement, cause analysis. 11. Billing cycle improvement plan. SR. No. Description. 12. Commercial cycle improvement plan. 13. Surcharge waiver scheme implementation strategy and targets. 14. Subdivision creation norms. Subdivision staffing pattern. Capital works, consumer addition. Operation, maintenance. Commercial accounting. 15. HVDS in high loss areas. 16. Underground cabling in selected prominent areas in district headquarters. 17. Identify 11 kV and 440 volts lines which have high percentage of loss in loading. 18. Employ safety strategy. 19. Government billing web page, review use. 20. Operational staff shortage, LM, ARM, etc. 21. AR policy. 22. Progress of tube well connections. 23. ACD issue. 24. The status on compliance of HERC orders. SR. No. Description. 25. Release of ACD in disconnection to designated bank accounts in 15 days. Credit of ACD interest once in a year. 26. Review on implementation of solar rooftop usage. 27. Call center performance review. 28. Disruption management strategy.